You can see here the floors are pretty bad. Big iron plates riveted in over the top of what was big holes and some small holes. Pretty much rusted since this floor was around the delta area. Pretty much rusted since this floor was around the delta area. We used naval jelly to get a lot of this rust out, at least 3-4 times on the floors themselves and on the steps. Put iron metal plates in and thick fiberglass over the holes, little holes. And then continued on with cleaning and scraping, grinding.
Well, I got all the rust I could get out of this floor. I had to get the heavy equipment out, a little grinder out, get some of this deep rust out. It's looking good. Got that all ground out and weld me a little plate in there. This will be good. Today I got the gas tank out and I cleaned out these corners way down inside there. You can see what's down there. Nothing really. Little light coming in so you can see. Well, got the seat out. Doing a little cleaning on this rust here. This is under the seat, so I got my big body grinder out. Big, very rough body grinder, so under the seat won't matter.
You got to wear your respirator and your goggles.
Okay, we got this corner all fiberglassed in here. Got a sheet of metal fiberglass in there. And it's had about a 1.5 inch hole, you've seen it. On the other side we got this fiberglass. I didn't have no big holes over there. So that one should be good. We're good to go. Holes all filled up. Real good. Made good progress on floors. Get this one almost a little putty on top of that fiberglass. Fill these little holes down here. Some fiberglass. Sanded down all the rust out of the top. And put the white primer paint on it. Got all the rust out of the corners here. Put the white primer on it. We're about ready to put the gas tank back in. Here we are at the end of the day, Friday. See what we did today. A little more fine tuning on the dash. A little more color to the underneath the dash there. Just a little black. Just painted the heater. Put a little color on to see how it would cover. Inside here you can see we've got all the top now. It's all primered. Door's pretty good. Okay, one more time with the sand there. Get around here to the other door. I got this all cleaned up. Took the big body grinder, took all the rust out, all the holes. We used naval jelly on that step, like 2-3 times, get it all straightened up. Fiberglass there. Everything's primered, ready to go. Time to put the gas tank back in. And gas tank seat back in. Put the instrument panel back in. I'm gonna paint now. Another time. Solid.
That's the end of part 5, and thank you very much for watching.